Now we are going to start chapter 1 Polynomials class 10th part 2nd. Okay, so first we will learn how to find the zeros of quadratic equation. So if we have to find the zeros of quadratic equation, we use middle term splitting that we have done in our earlier classes, but still I will tell you how to do so. So I have equation here 2x square minus 8x plus 6. So according to the middle term splitting, we have to split here minus 8 such that the product of 2 and 6 should be equal to the two numbers we split. Okay, we all know about this. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to multiply 6 and 2 and we have to split the 8 in such a way that their sum should be 8 and their product should be 12. Okay, so here I have split this equation. So if we multiply 6 and 2, I will get 12. So I have to split 8 such that their sum should be 8 and the product should be 12. So I have split minus 8 as minus 6x minus 2x. I will get as 8 if I will plus them, and I will get 12 if I will multiply them. After splitting, I have to group them into 2. So 2x square minus 6x I have taken one group, and minus 2x plus 6 I have get another group. So now I will take here the common. So 2x is common, and in bracket I will get x minus 3, and there minus 2 is common, x minus 3 in common. Okay, in bracket. So now x minus 3 and x minus 3 are equal, that I have underlined. These are equal, it means that we are right. So now 2x minus 2 in one bracket and x minus 3 in a one bracket. Understood? So the two things I have got in bracket was 2x minus 2 and x minus 3. So now I will take x and on the other side of equal I will get 2 by 2 or equal to 1. And here I will get x is equal to 3. So I have got two zeros, 1 and 3. So zeros of this equation 2x square minus 8x plus 6 is 1 and 3. As I have told you that quadratic equation can be written in the form ax square plus bx plus c. When we have to find the sum of zeros, like in the example, I have taken out the two zeros of a quadratic equation. Similarly, we can take out the zeros of any quadratic equation, two zeros, and we can find the sum of zeros without calculating the zero. So sum of 0 is minus b upon a. Here b is the coefficient of x and a is the coefficient of x square. So sum of 0 we can find out by minus. We have to take minus b upon a. Similarly, I can find the product of two zeros using c by a without actual calculating it. So c is the coefficient of 1 and a is the coefficient of x square. So here is our question. Find a quadratic equation with the given number as the sum and product respectively. So 1 upon 4 is the sum while minus 1 is the product. So we have to form a quadratic equation by this. So sum is given as 1 upon 4. So sum of zeros, we know the formula, that is minus b upon a. So I will write minus b upon a is equal to 1 upon 4. So b value will be minus 1 and a value will be 4. So I find the value of b as minus 1 and a as 4. Now I will find the product of 0. So I have given that product of 0 is minus 1. So product of 0 formula is c upon a. So c upon a is equal to minus 1 by 1. So c value will be minus 1 and a value will be 1. But I have got a value as 4 in the first part. So how can I make it stable? I will make it stable by multiply 4 in the product. So I will multiply 4 with a and c. So c is equal to minus 1 into 4, a is equal to 1 into 4. So c will be minus 4 and a will be 4. So I have got values like a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to minus 4. And we know that quadratic polynomial can be written as ax square plus bx plus c. So I will write down the value of a, b and c. So I will get 4x square minus x minus 4, and here is our equation. So now you can easily do exercise 2.2, okay, of chapter 2 polynomials. Thank you.